Good evening, students. Welcome back to our channel, to this YouTube channel of mine of Study Online Uganda. So, my name is Kamate Ntuyenabo, and today, as I told you, my channel we always teach different subjects, major subjects, including sciences are the ones which we put at the top, but we also teach other subjects in both O level and A level, even in primary in some cases. So now, today, we are going to study what we call ICT, or the one that is normally called Information Communication Technology, the one that is always called Computer Studies. So now, today, so you can subscribe to this YouTube channel of mine in order to get all our videos, all our lessons, including lessons of biology, chemistry, both O and A level, and even primary. You can check there. You will have to see very many videos that we have already made for you available. So now, subscribe so that you can get more videos and also share with your friends. So now, today, we are going to see how to set the following in an Android device. So these three things which are going to look at, we have Microsoft Word, which is under word processing, Microsoft Excel under spreadsheet, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So now, each of these is set during the UNEB exam, and it is always compulsory. Microsoft Word is always compulsory for both O and A level. Microsoft Excel, the same. PowerPoint is optional, but we shall also come to look at how PowerPoint works. So now, we are going to see now how we can use a phone in order to get access to all of these things. Because to some students, it may be very difficult for them to access a computer in order to make their practice. But today we're going to show you how you can set these things in your Android phone or smartphone, and then do the practice from your phone. So now, the first thing is Microsoft Word. Some of you may not be knowing Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is used in writing, editing, text, writing letters, saving of documents, pasting them, copying. We shall come to look at all of those words, what they mean very well. So that is the importance of Microsoft Word. And it is always a compulsory question, as I have told you, in both ordinary and advanced level in final exams. Also, we shall learn how to use Microsoft Word lesson by lesson, such that in lesson 1 we understand how Microsoft Word works. In lesson 2 we still understand what are some of the common questions that are asked. Then we shall also get some exercises later after we have understood how it works. So our aim is to set these things first on our phones, then from there, and that's why I have made this video. We first set them on our phones such that next time when we are back to learn Microsoft Word, everyone should be having no problem. So now we also have Microsoft Excel, which is under spreadsheet. So Microsoft Excel is used in making calculations. It is used in making different calculations. For example, they can give you marks of people and they tell you to add them and get their total, multiply, get the aggregates, and it should be got from the system by using different formulas and functions. So we shall also learn how to set this one in our phones. The next thing is PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is used especially in meetings, recording different things. Like this one that I'm using now, it is PowerPoint. You can see how the data is very well organized. From where we started, you can see how everything is organized in this Microsoft PowerPoint. So it is used in making these things, but we shall come to know more on how these different questions are set according to the Ntuyenabo standards. So now, after this PowerPoint, those are the 3 things which you're going to set. So what you do, the first thing you go into on your phone in Play Store, where you download your apps. So you go in Play Store, and after you have reached there, when you reach in Play Store, what you do, you search for an app that I'm going to give you. When you reach on Play Store, you wait. There is a network problem, but it is loading. The network has been very slow, but you go on Play Store and you look for an app called WPS Office. The one called WPS Office. So now, after getting this app, you can see it here. I'm going to put a link. You will check in the description. There is a link that will enable you quickly get access to this program, to this WPS Office. So don't worry, anytime you're going to get it by clicking on the link that is under the description of this video. So after I've got this app called the WPS, the first thing which you do, you open it when you have already installed. So after opening, here you press on agree. Then after pressing on agree, as you can see, so you put your phone in landscape mode. And after putting it in landscape mode, you can see different things. You can click there where there is the word new. So when you click on new, you have to find there document, memo, presentation, spreadsheet. So when you click on document, that document, it is the one which we call Microsoft Word, as you can see. So here now we begin typing. Then there is the way how they edit, how they save, how they print, and different questions which are normally asked in examinations. So we shall come to look at them in our next video. As our next video, we have to explain. In our next video, we are going to see how Microsoft Word we shall be using it from lesson 1 up to when we come to understand it very well. So it is necessary for you to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon that comes, so that you can get a notification once I upload the first lesson, and you'll be getting other lessons. So now we can see the spreadsheet, the one called Microsoft Excel. It is here. We shall also learn how to use it, how to put formulas and etc on our phones. Then from there you can see the presentation software. So now those are some of the things. So the first thing that is important is to go to Play Store, and then you look for that app. That app, let me type it here. That app is called WPS Office. WPS Office. So you go to Play Store and search for it, or else you can just click on the link below in the description, and then it will have to direct you to the app directly, and then you download the app. So we shall be following different lessons on Microsoft Word. We shall also Excel will follow, and then PowerPoint. So in today's video, we have seen how we can use our phones to set up different computerized apps. So the first one was Microsoft Word, followed by Microsoft Excel, and then PowerPoint. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe so that you can get our next video. Share with your friends, and please, if you have any question or you didn't receive any, or you didn't get the link very well, you can write in the comment section, and I send back the link. And also like the video. So our next video, we shall see how to use Microsoft Word on the Android device that is already set. So we shall begin from step by step, from the beginning, such that any one of us can easily understand. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and also share with your friends, and also continue liking Study Online in Uganda. I remain Kamate Ntuyenabo. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.